I accidentally break my ceiling from the attic. Now I have to fix it. It is half-inch. I found this half-inch thickness drywall patch from Lowe's. Got the sanding sponge. For half-inch thickness drywall, the screw has to be at least 1¼ inch. So I got this 1¼ inch screws. Drywall is easy to use. Also, it turns color from pink to white when it's dried up. So I got this one. I also got the sanding sponge. Got the drywall tape. This is less than 2 inch wide. I found a wider tape might be better. First, I need to cut out these broken parts. Some parts I need to remove the drywall screw. This is a 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter patch I got from Lowe's. I just need to mark the size of the patch on the ceiling so I can cut them out. First, I just need to cut the square hole on the ceiling. The drywall can be inserted, so I just need to remark it. This is what it looks like after cut out the square hole. The patch is in place. I just need to mark the stud location so I know where I put the screws. This is after I put in the drywall screws. So first I need to remove the dust a little bit, then put the drywall tape around the patch. As I mentioned before, a wider tape might be better and easier to install. Now the tape is in place. Now I need to put the Drywall in place. I got a 6-inch and 3-inch knife. Mainly I'm using the 3-inch knife, but I found it might be better if I have like a narrower one, maybe a 2-inch or 1/2 inch. It is a little bit difficult at the edges. Just need to wait for it to dry. This is the next morning. It almost dried up. Need to do some sanding after it's dried. That's it. That's how I repair the drywall. Just need to paint it. It's all finished. Thanks for watching.